National 5 Chemistry Summary Notes. Unit 1. Chemical changes and structure. 1. Substances. Elements, compounds and mixtures. Elements are the simplest type of a substance. An element contains only one type of atom. A compound is a substance with two or more elements chemically joined together. Naming compounds. Start with element furthest to the left in the periodic table. If the name ends in IDE, only two elements are in the compound, except if it's a hydroxide. If name ends in ITE or ATE, compound contains two elements plus oxygen. Mixtures. Mixtures are where two or more substances are present but are not chemically joined. These can be easily separated by filtration, distillation, evaporation or chromatography, where colours are separated. A solution is made when a solid solute is dissolved in a liquid solvent. Dilute solution equals lots of solvent and little solute. Concentrated solution equals little solvent and lots of solute. Saturated solutions are where no more solute can be dissolved in the solvent. A little more can be dissolved on heating though. Identifying chemical changes. A new substance is always formed in a chemical reaction. This can be identified by change of appearance, a gas forming, a solid forming, a precipitate, energy temperature changes, i.e. gets hot or cold. A physical change may include some of these, but does not form a new substance, so it can be easier reversed. Physical changes include freezing, melting, boiling, and making a solution. Energy changes. Energy changes include exothermic reactions. The reaction gives out energy, so gets hot. Endothermic reactions. A reaction takes in energy, so it gets cold, or gives off light. 2. Reaction rates. Reaction rates can be increased by increasing the number of collisions. This is increasing the temperature of the reactions, so that any particles have more energy, so there are more collisions. Increasing the concentration of the reactions, so therefore there are more particles there to collide. Increasing the surface area that is available for reaction, i.e. decreasing the particle size. Powders react faster than lumps. And by adding a catalyst. Catalysts are things that don't get used up in the reaction but will speed it up. A homogeneous catalyst is in the same physical state as reactants, i.e. gas reactants, gas catalyst. A heterogeneous catalyst is in a different state from the reactants, i.e. gas reactants, solid catalyst. Enzymes are biological catalysts. The average rate for a reaction can be the change in the factor being measured, i.e. gas given off, divided by the time given. Catalysts are very important in industry. Catalytic converters that are used are things like platinum and rhodium to convert poisonous gases in harmless ones in car engines, iron in the Haber process for making ammonia for fertilizers, nickel for turning oil into margarine, and biologically the enzyme invertase turns sucrose into soft glucose and fructose, and zymase in yeast turns glucose into ethanol, alcohol.